We are on the Celebrity Apex doing an Eastern Caribbean cruise. It is the middle of February 2024. And if you're ever interested in having items laundered or dry cleaned while you're doing your cruise on board, this would be the price sheet for laundry and dry cleaning items. Now, everything is in US dollars, and I'm just going to be talking about common items you're going to want to have laundered. So a pair of pants is $8, a long sleeve shirt is also $8, a short sleeve shirt is $7, a pair of shorts is $6, a dress is $12, a skirt is $7, pajamas $6, t-shirts are $4, undergarments are $3, a swimsuit is $4, and a pair of socks is $3. Now for dry cleaning, a suit would be $21. Jacket on itself would be $12. Dress pants would be $9. A long sleeve shirt is $8. A short sleeve shirt is $7. A dress would be $18. A skirt would be $8, and they do have a 4-item special for $35. Now, if you're gonna have stuff washed, laundered, they do give you a bag. I put my Apple Watch there to give you a reference as far as how big the bag is. But this would be the bag that you'd put your laundry items in. For dry cleaning, you just hand those off to your steward. So again, if you're going to need something dry cleaned while you're on board, this would be the price sheet. If you need stuff laundered while you're doing your cruise, this would be the price sheet.